Hello, my brothers and sisters. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. Yeah, good. So, in this video, we will do the revision of set off and carry forward chapter. Yeah. So, if there is a loss in any head of income, so first you have to do a intra head adjustment. What is an intra head adjustment, sir? If the loss is of one head, one particular head, then you should set off with an income from the same head, with the same head. But there are exceptions. If there is a speculative business loss, then you should not set it off from PGBP income. You should set it on, or you should set it off from particularly from speculative business income. If you have specified business loss, then you should particularly set it off from specified business income. If you have capital long-term capital loss, then you should set off particularly from long-term capital gain and not from short-term capital gain. And if you have loss from activity from owning and maintaining racehorses, the income from owning and maintaining racehorses, from that only you should set it off. Yes or no? Yes. And if you do not have income from that particular same head, then you can go for other head. This is called as what? Inter head adjustment. Yes, but in this also there are exceptions. What? One, sir, how specified business loss, speculative business loss, loss from owning and maintaining racehorses. For this, of course, you have to have the same income from speculative business loss, specified business loss, and or owning and maintaining racehorses income only. From that only particular that income only you should set it off. There is no doubt. But if there is a capital gain loss, if for an inter-year adjustment, long-term capital loss, you should set off only from long-term capital gain. But short-term capital loss, this you should set off it from either long-term capital gain or short-term capital gain. You should not use any other head. And if you have a PGBP income, you can set it off from any head of income, but not salary. But not salary. I told you why in the class. Yes or no? Yes, and loss from house property. This also you can set it off from any income, but maximum 2 lakhs. But maximum 2 lakhs. And for specified business and specified business loss and loss from owning and maintaining, specified business loss and loss from house property. For this, if you have opted out of default tax regime, then only you can carry forward. Then only you can carry forward. Otherwise, you cannot carry forward the losses, or no? Yes. No. So what if we have what if there is a loss and either interhead or intrahead we can set it off, but we are not willing to set off. We are thinking that in future we will set off. We'll carry forward. No carry forward. Set it off now. Otherwise, in the future you cannot set it off. Yes. Yes. Okay. So either interhead or intrahead, there is no set off. Then you have to carry forward. So if it is a business loss, business loss, then you can carry forward for 8 years. But you should set off in same PGBP income only, not from any other head. If you have long-term capital loss or short-term capital loss, then you can carry it for 8 years, but you should set off particularly in long-term capital gain or short-term capital gain. Yes. If you have a loss from the house property which you are carry forward, then you can carry it for 8 years, but you should set off it from the income from house property only. Yes. Now, regarding speculative loss, you have carry forward speculative loss, then you will be carry forwarding it for 4 years, not 8 years, 4 years, but you will be setting off from specified business income only, but 4 years. But if it is a specified business income, you can carry it for unlimited period. You can set it off from the specified business income. And owning and maintaining racehorses, you can set it off for 4 years, and you should be setting off from owning and maintaining racehorses. Yes, but for you to set off, what is one condition? Within the due date under section 139 subsection 1, which is either 31st July or 31st October, you have to file the return of income. within the due date, then only you can carry forward. Otherwise, can you carry forward? No. But unabsorbed depreciation or loss from house property, can you carry forward if you do not file it within the due date? Yes, you can still carry forward loss from house property and unabsorbed depreciation. Yes or no? Yes, sir. For you to for you to carry forward some loss, you have to opt out of default tax regime. One, unabsorbed scientific research. We know, we have seen in the PGBP, we have to opt out. Or next, unabsorbed additional depreciation. This also we have to anyway opt out of default tax regime. And loss from self-occupied property. This also we have to opt out of default tax regime. So generally, if there is a loss in any of this, which means we have already opted out. If we do not opt out, then the situation will not at all arise. Yes or no? Yes. So yeah. Next, unabsorbed depreciation, unabsorbed family planning, or unabsorbed scientific research. Yeah, you can carry forward for any number of years, and you can set it off from any head of income except salary, and you don't have to file return of income within the due date. Later also you can file belated return also. Later also you can file. Yes or no? Yes. Next, loss from any casual income, winnings, betting, gambling, horse races. Yes, or undisclosed income. You have any loss? Do you have to set it off? Do you have to set it off? No, you cannot set it off. You cannot set it off. Even you have a casual income or you have an undisclosed income, you cannot set it off. Yes. What is the order of set off? What is the order of the set off? The current year depreciation first you will set off. Then is the 4 years, 8 years carry forward. Is this the last year of carry forward? In the situation you will set off that. Next, what is the then brought forward loss? What and all from the preceding previous years you have brought forward loss that you will set off. Then you will set off the unabsorbed depreciation. Yes. Yes. Any exempted income loss you will not set off. Why? Super, because it is an exempted income. If there is a loss, you will not set off. Even more smaller summary. So if set off and carry forward. Salary, will there be a loss for salary income? Not possible. Salary and all, there will not be a loss. Next, house property loss. First you will do an intra-head adjustment. Then what you will do, if there is no intra-head adjustment, then you will do an inter-head adjustment. What is inter-head adjustment? Other heads of income you will set off. But one, you have to opt out of default tax regime. Two, second condition is maximum 2 lakhs. Maximum 2 lakhs only you can set it off. Even you don't have inter adjustment in the same year, then you can carry forward. And set off in the same head of income. But what is the condition? You have to opt out of default tax regime. You have to choose old tax regime. Yes or no? Yes. Next, what is the carry forward it for? You can carry it forward for 8 years. Next, PGBP income. One, we'll talk about speculative business income. Speculative business income, first set it off from same speculative business income only. Yes or no? If you don't have same speculative business income, then carry forward and set it off in the future assessment years. But you have to set it off in the same speculative business income only. Maximum 4 years you can carry forward. Yes. And what about specified business income? Specified business income, you have to set it off in this specified business income only in the previous year. If you don't have specified business income, then you can carry it for unlimited period of time, but you have to set it off in the specified business income only. Yes. And what about PGBP? Even if the business is discontinued, you can set it off. First, you can set it off in the same head of income, PGBP income. If there is no other PGBP income, then you can set it off in any other head of income, but it should not be salary. But even there is no other income also to fully set it off, then you can carry forward and set off the loss in same head of PGBP income, but maximum 8 years. Yes or no? Yes. Next, income from other losses. Owning and maintaining racehorses. This you will set off in the same owning and maintaining racehorses in the previous year, if you don't have income of owning and maintaining racehorse in the previous year, then you will carry forward in the assessment years. Yes, but maximum 4 years you can carry forward. Yes or no? Yes, but what about other income from other sources, other losses, intra-head adjustment, same head of income you can do. You can do inter-head adjustment also, no problem. But you cannot carry forward. You cannot carry forward income from other sources. Yes or no? Yes. What about unabsorbed depreciation? You can set it unabsorbed depreciation. You can set it off in any head of income except salary, and for unlimited period you can carry forward. This is a very easiest summary in what set off and carry forward. If you want to do this, one page summary is enough. Yes, yes.